기다리는 동안에 심장이 두근두근 두근두근 심장에 문제가 생긴 줄 알았어요.
동남아의 중심 태국. 태국은 미얀마, 라오스, 캄보디아와 국경을 맞대고 있습니다. 그 국경을 넘어 수많은 사람들이 태국으로 모여들고 있습니다. 고향에서는 찾을 수 없는 일자리가 태국에는 있기 때문입니다. 하지만 안타깝게도 이들 대부분은 제대로 된 법의 보호를 받지 못합니다. 그리고 이런 취약한 이들을 노리는 범죄자들이 있습니다. 이렇게 범죄의 위협에 놓인 이주 노동자들을 보호하기 위해 IJM은 코이카와 함께 특별한 프로젝트를 진행하고 있습니다.
Yeah, I think the most important goal of this project is to ultimately protect vulnerable workers in the target areas that we are working. So how will we protect migrant workers in the target provinces? First of all, we are in the process of building capacity for our government partners who directly work to enforce the law and provide protection services to these workers. We want to build up their knowledge and expertise in the areas of forced labor and human trafficking so that they are able to identify certain indicators when it comes to exploitation and what migrant workers face.
Well, this project is targeting what we call reliance of vulnerable populations on the justice system. And in this case, we're talking about reliance of migrant workers on labor protection systems in the country. Currently, across all of our countries where we work, reliance is low. That is, workers are not having a strong trust in the justice system, which means they are not referring cases, or they are not willing in large numbers to keep participating in the justice system process.
정부에 대한 이주 노동자들의 신뢰를 회복하기 위해 IJM은 태국 정부 관계자를 대상으로 교육을 진행하고 있습니다.
네, 오늘 행사는 저희 IJM이 태국 노동부, 경찰, 다양한 정부기관에 소속된 공무원들을 교육하고 그분들이 최일선에 도움이 필요한 사람들을 도울 수 있도록 그분들의 역량을 키워주는 그런 행사입니다.
We believe that when Thailand's strong national policies on labor protection are effectively extended to the local level, they will create the real foundation for decent and safe workplace for all.
변화는 현장에서 시작됩니다. 그 변화를 이끌어갈 사람들이 이곳에 모여 있습니다.
มีการเหมือนลงพื้นที่ในของประเทศกัมพูชานะคะเหมือนว่าทลายของแก๊งสแกมเมอร์ call center อย่างเงี้ยค่ะก็ประเทศไทยเป็นทางผ่านหรือว่าทางที่จะสามารถหลบหนีจากกัมพูชาเข้ามาในยังประเทศไทยนะคะก็จะมีเคสพวกเนี้ยค่ะค่อนข้างเข้ามาค่อนข้างเยอะก็เลยได้รู้ถึงข้อบ่งชี้
เนื้อหาในการอบรมนะคะที่ดูอยู่นะคะก็มีความสำคัญทุกเนื้อหานะคะมันเป็นประโยชน์ไม่ว่าจะเป็นแนวทางในการคัดกรองคัดแยกผู้เสียหายจากการค้ามนุษย์นะคะไม่ว่า
จริงๆเป้าหมายของการฝึกอบรมที่เกี่ยวข้องกับกลุ่มเครือข่ายอาสาสมัครแรงงานชาวเมียนมาในประเทศไทยเนี่ยก็คือว่าเพื่อที่จะมีส่วนในการที่จะลดปัญหาการค้ามนุษย์ในประเทศไทยในเบื้องต้นนะครับแล้วก็สิ่งที่สำคัญที่สุดก็คือให้เขาได้มีความรู้ให้เขาได้ตระหนักในปัญหาที่อาจจะเกิดขึ้นกับ กับตัวเขาเองในอนาคต
အမှတ်ရဆုံးရဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တော့ဒီတိုင်းလူကုန်ကူးတဲ့ပေါ့နော်လူကုန်ကူးတဲ့ဖြစ်ရတဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးတော့လူကုန်ကူးမှုကဘယ်လိုအချက်တွေနဲ့ဆိုလူကုန်ကူးမှုဆိုတဲ့ဥပဒေနဲ့ညှိနေလဲဆိုတာလေးကျွန်တော်တို့တေချာသိရတယ်နောက်တစ်ခုကကြတော့ဒီကိုယ့်ရဲ့လူသားချင်းဆိုင်ရာလူသားတဦးတယောက်ချင်းဆိုင်ရာအခွင့်အလမ်းတွေလူအခွင့်အရေးပေါ့နော်လူအခွင့်အရေးရှိုးဖောက်နေလားရှိုးမဖောက်နေဘူးလားဒါတွေအတွက်ကိုလည်းပို့ပြီးသိရတယ်ပေါ့
အဓိကကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ဒီအတွေ့အကြုံရနေဆိုရင်တော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီ meeting လေးတွေမကြခဏရှိစေချင်တယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒီလိုမကြခဏရှိခါမှာကျွန်တော်တို့လည်းဒီလိုမျိုးနောက်မသိနားမလဲလို့လည်းကျွန်တော်ဆွဲခေါ်လာခဲ့လို့ရတယ်ပြီးရင်လည်းဒီလိုမျိုးတရားလက်ဆင့်ကမ်းပြီးတော့မှအသိပညာတွေယူသွားကြမယ်ဒါမှလည်းကျွန်တော်ဒီလိုကုန်ကူးတွေပဲဖြစ်ဒီအနိုင်ကျင့်ခံရတာအကျင့်ပြတ်ချစားမှုတွေပဲဖြစ်
Number one is equipping the government to have a better system to respond to migrant workers. And the second is preparing the migrant workers themselves and groups of migrant workers to engage, make the system better on their own, as well as reporting cases. So we are working with the government and we are working with the migrant workers themselves. And the goal in the future is that they are able to work better together on cases and to strengthen the policy.
초국가적 문제는 어떤 한 나라의 힘만으로는 해결할 수 없습니다. 그래서 국제적 협력이 필요합니다. 그런 점에서 코이카를 비롯한 한국 기관들의 관심과 지원은 문제 해결에 큰 의미를 갖습니다.
Well, I think that it's a joy to work with the Korea team because the Korea team came and you're so understanding and also wanting to learn more about the Thailand project. So I'm also very heartened by your team's efforts and also your willingness to just to understand and also to learn more about Thailand office and the work that we are doing.
한국도 과거에는 많이 힘들었었던 그 시절이 있습니다.
ဆရာတို့ဆိုရင်တော့ဒီလိုကန်ကောင်းပြီးတော့အားလုံးတိုးတက်နေတဲ့အချိန်မှာဒီကိုရီးယားနိုင်ငံမှာမွေးဖွားလာပြီးတော့
태국과 한국이 함께한 이번 프로젝트는 이주 노동자 보호 체계를 강화하기 위한 새로운 이정표입니다. 작은 출발이지만 이 협력은 앞으로 더 많은 나라와 공동체가 함께할 수 있는 기반이 될 것입니다. IJM 코리아는 지속 가능한 변화를 위해 계속해서 이 길을 걸어가겠습니다.